Looks like a typical production line, doesn't it? And in many ways, it is, with a wide range of automation, assembly, handling, and packaging tasks taking place. But take a closer look, and you'll see that this production line has been fully optimized from start to finish with Cognex machine vision. Every step of the way, Cognex vision systems and sensors are adding value, inspecting, guiding, identifying, and gauging parts and products, acting as integral parts of the automation and handling processes. Together, they help ensure that every product is made from the right parts and assembled to the correct specification, optimizing quality, minimizing costs, and virtually eliminating defects, rejects, scrap, and customer returns. Because Cognex has the widest range of vision products, you can be sure of getting the right solution at the right price every time, no matter what your application. From the simplest part orientation verification with the Checker vision sensor to the most complicated final inspection operation using multiple Insight vision systems. So whether you need to identify and track parts with DataMan ID readers or perform more complex applications with Vision Pro software, Cognex is there with the most advanced vision tools available anywhere. This unmatched family of solutions and the global network that supports them are why more companies choose Cognex than any other vision company.